Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the posting in Ledger. After passing journal entries, the next step is to post these entries in Ledger. Posting is the process of transferring transactions recorded in books of original entry, also known as journal, to the concerned account. Now let's discuss the mechanism of posting. First of all, open the account in Ledger. For example, if I want to post an entry in machinery account, then I must have the machinery account in Ledger. If already open, then no need to open again. Posting may be done daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, or half yearly according to the requirements and convenience of the business. No entry is made direct into Ledger. First, the entry is recorded in journal or subsidiary books, and then it is transferred to the concerned ledger account. Posting is considered complete only when both the debit and credit aspects of transaction are recorded in journal have been transferred to the concerned account. Now, very important part of ledger is ledger posting. As and when the transaction takes place, it is recorded in the journal in the form of journal entry. This entry is posted again in the respective ledger accounts under double entry principle from the journal. This is called ledger posting. Now let's have a glimpse over the rules for writing up accounts of various types are as follows. Assets increases on the left hand side or debit side and decreases on the credit side or the right hand side. Liabilities increases on the credit side and decreases on the debit side. Capitals is same as liabilities. Expenses increases on the debit side and decreases on the credit side. Incomes or gains increases on the credit side and decreases on the debit side. Let's take an example of ledger posting. You can see there is a simple journal entry, that is cash account debit $20,000 to capital account. In this case, there are two accounts concerned with it, that is cash account and capital account. Now in cash account, we will debit capital account by $20,000, and in capital account we will credit cash account by $20,000. Let's take another example of ledger posting. A compound journal entry is given in this case, that is cash account debit $20,000, machinery account debit $30,000 to capital account $50,000. Now in this case, three accounts are concerned, that is cash account, machinery account and capital account. Firstly, in cash account, $20,000 will be debited with the name of capital account, and in machinery account, capital will be debited as $30,000. And in the last account, that is capital account, both cash and machinery will be credited with $20,000 and $30,000 respectively. Now, in the ledger, the important task is balancing of accounts. After posting all entries in their respective accounts, the next step is to balance those accounts to know the actual position of the accounts. After balancing the accounts, we will be able to know the balance of an account in the shape of debit or credit. It ascertains the net position of a ledger account. For balancing the accounts, following steps are to be taken. First one is take the total of both sides of the account. Secondly, subtract the lesser amount from the bigger one. Third, after subtraction, the answer will be the balancing amount. Put this balancing amount on that side of account in which the total was lesser as compared to the other side. This will be the closing balance of the account. Cross transfer this balance to the other side of the account, that is, if the closing balance is on debit side, then cross transfer it to credit side of the account or vice versa. This cross transfer balance of account will be the opening balance of that particular account. Let's take an example of balancing of an account. You can see there is an account which is before balancing. The name of the account is Abhishek account. As we can see, there are entries on debit and credit side of this account, that is, on the debit side we can see sales account, and again sales account. The amounts are $35,000, $25,000 and $20,000 respectively. And On the credit side, you will find cash account as $18,000, bank account as $24,000. Now we can see the total of both the sides is not equal. So now we will have to balance this ledger account. After calculating the debit side, I found the total of debit side is $80,000 and the total of credit side is $42,000. So in this case, the credit side is falling short by $38,000. So this will be the closing balance of Abhishek account, that is $38,000. So we will balance the ledger by writing the total on both sides, that is $80,000 on debit and credit side as well. So on the very next year, the opening balance will be $38,000 of Abhishek account. Thank you.